A health scare at a local restaurant sent customers scrambling for hepatitis A vaccinations. But tonight, a special dirty dining investigation revealing more restaurants with infected workers and county health officials keeping it all a secret from the public.
I think we had about 75 people. It was a pretty good crowd.
Eileen Blake went to Hamburger Mary's in Ybor City in October. But when Eileen heard on the news a Hamburger Mary's employee tested positive for hepatitis A and she might have been exposed, she became alarmed.
Do I need to be really worried about this? Like, is this one of the hepatitises that can, kill you, or is this something more mild?
So it's a viral infection that actually affects the liver.
Infectious disease doctor Margarita Cabrera-Cancio says hepatitis A is very contagious and can spread quickly.
Suppose that you have somebody that has hepatitis A and handles food or handles anything and that other person touches and you touch your mouth, then you can get it.
The Hillsborough County Health Department alerted the public to the scare at Hamburger Mary's in October and offered free vaccinations to customers. But a special dirty dining investigation uncovered the county never told the public about 4 other Hillsborough County restaurants with workers infected with hepatitis A in just the past year alone.
We indeed were not just seeing a few more cases, it was an epidemic, if you will.
Dr. Douglas Holt, head of the Hillsborough County Health Department, calling hepatitis A an epidemic, but still insisting the public has no right to know the names of the other 4 restaurants with infected workers.
Because the other ones did not have, in our investigation, conditions have warranted or put the public at risk.
Holt says inspectors gave their seal of approval after visiting those restaurants and found good hand-washing practices for staff in general, not the infected worker. But Dr. Cabrera-Cancio says that's not good enough.
It can live in surfaces. Like I said, it's very hard to kill. You actually have to use either Clorox or high temperatures.
Our investigation also revealed a statewide hepatitis A outbreak beginning as early as June and centered around Orlando and the Tampa Bay area. The I-team found over 550 confirmed cases of hepatitis A reported in Florida just last year, more than double the number in 2017. But the state of Florida didn't warn the public until November 28th, the day after the I-team contacted the health department. Holt also never told the public, even though Hillsborough County saw one of the bigger spikes in hepatitis A cases. Did Hillsborough County put out a release warning the public about hepatitis A in the summer?
No, we did not. Unless, again, Kevin or somebody can contradict me, I'm not aware, I do not recall if we did.
I don't totally understand why they wouldn't want to make sure that people were getting access to the vaccine if they need it. That seems a little irresponsible, honestly.
And this investigation taking a strange turn after I spoke with the owner of Hamburger Mary's.
And it's very difficult. And I feel the health department did me wrong. And I think the community needs to wake up because they did us all wrong.
Tomorrow night, the emotional interview with the owner of Hamburger Mary's, now accusing Hillsborough County of getting it all wrong. Kurt King exclusively shows me the documents he says proves his worker tested negative for hepatitis A. That's tomorrow night on ABC Action News at 11.